Whistler. Yeah, man.
Dude, I've been looking for my speed for an hour.
Oh no!
Just finding it right now.
Holy shit, I did not know that was there.
That was a nice landing.
I was just like,
You got your camera on?
what's that?
Is it on?
It's on, yeah, man. Holy.
Nice one.
Oh, good luck, dude. I don't see it down here.
I just found it right now.
Oh, you found it?
Crash. You got my good luck. My good crash and I walk on it.
Awesome, man. I'm glad it landed on you. Okay, have a good day. Holy shit. Woo!